Yeah, sir. Good evening, sir. It's me, Tunde, your younger brother in South Africa. Sir, this is what we are facing in South Africa. As at now, they started another xenophobia. You see how they burn our cars? Did you see? They burn our shops. Did you see, sir? This is reality. This thing happened yesterday about 9 a.m. early in the morning. Look at it, sir. So Kebali Mokotatun face Nibi by no again, because those people, they are ready to kill, they are ready to destroy. So far we are a foreigner around here, so we are just trying to let most people to know around the world, around the continent, that South Africa is not safe. Please don't encourage anybody, don't encourage your friends, don't encourage anybody to travel down to South Africa this time around. It's dangerous as at now. South Africa is not safe. Even though we are in in South Africa as at now, it's not safe for us. Our wife are not safe, our kids, they are not safe. Even though most of our kids, they don't go to school. Most of them, they are at home. Even though we are their parents, we don't go to work, we sat at home. Please, you can just help us to send this information around. As at now, South Africa is not safe. Most people, they are jobless as at now. They are homeless. This is part 1. Then I'm going to send the part 2 for you as time goes on, because I can't go that side as at now, because that side is dangerous. This is the part 1 as at now. Then I'm going to send you the part 2 anytime from now. But I just let you to know, it's not safe. South Africa is not safe. This is xenophobia now, man. They are attacking foreigner shops, killing foreigners. So just help me to send it to 1 or 2 people, just for them to know also. Thank you very much. God bless you. Stay tuned.